In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Cyberghost and get a refund, a process that's been tested and confirmed to work seamlessly in 2025. Now, if you've decided that Cyberghost isn't the right VPN for you, or perhaps you've just found a better option, canceling your subscription and getting a refund should be straightforward with our easy-to-follow guide. We begin on Cyberghost's official website. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the My Account button. This will take you to a login page where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Make sure you've got your username and password handy. If you've forgotten your password, most sites will have a recovery option that you can follow to reset it. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Cyberghost homepage. From here, continue by navigating to the subscriptions section. This option is typically located on the sidebar or within your account menu. Clicking on Subscriptions will bring you to a page that lists all of the subscriptions associated with your account. Once on this page, search for the subscription you wish to cancel. It might be highlighted or listed at the top if it's your primary subscription. When you've identified it, the next step is to click on the Cancel Subscription button. This is crucial, as it confirms your intent to terminate the service and ensures that you won't be charged for another billing cycle. But we're not done yet. After you cancel your subscription, it's also important to stop any automatic renewals that might be in place. To do this, look for the Cancel Automatic Renewals option, which should be within the same section. By clicking this, you're ensuring that even if there's any remaining subscription term, it won't automatically renew at its end. If you're eligible for a refund, follow up these actions by contacting Cyberghost's support team as a final step to request it. Keep in mind that refunds are often time-sensitive. If Cyberghost offers a money-back guarantee window, ensure your request is submitted within that time frame to avoid potential issues. Providing details like your account information and reason for cancellation can help expedite the process. That's it. You've successfully navigated through the cancellation process on Cyberghost's platform, ensuring that you won't incur further charges and you have set the path for a refund if applicable. Remember, it's always good to keep track of any confirmation emails or cancellation numbers you receive, just in case you need to reference them in the future. I hope this video made the process clear and easy for you to tackle on your own. Thank you for watching. And be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips like these.